This video will show you how to find your transaction history of the Bank of America.
Hey guys, to find your transaction history of your account in your Bank of America, is that you should go to their website or your application on your phone. So press on sign in, log into their credentials, and then go to the account section. And there you can have your account overview. Then with your business account, you should check on business fundamental check. After that, it will show you this one right here. So you don't want to go to the activity since we're finding the transaction history. So go to statements and documents. After that is that you have press this currently viewing to all documents in the past 12 months. If you want to dig in with another year, then you can adjust the filter right here. So let's say for example, you want your statement on the January and the 2018, and this one is for the whole year. So you should press on that and you can actually have two options, which is the view PDF or you can also download it for better convenience.